So we start with the test paper seems to have the formulas all here, but I don't think that's a case, right, in your school. If it is, great, right? If not, then yeah. All right. Anyway, you try these two first. We have not done this, right? This spring we have not done, eh? Okay, you try this question 1 and 2. Let me just answer Ryan. Yeah. Okay, Ryan, we are doing starting question 1, right? Okay. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's fast. Who is this? Well done, Inshira, for question 1A. No, Inshira. 1B is wrong. You got 123,456. It cannot become estimated 100 plus. You've forgotten something. Ryan, well done for the first one. Well done, Inshira. Ryan, you cannot make it 100 plus. This is 123,456. Try again. Inshira made a mistake and you must. Okay, Akila, well done for A and B. What about Shafi'i? Ryan, make it like close to it. Some numbers you got to change to 0. The one that you didn't change them all to 0. Well done, Ryan. Shafi'i can do not, Shafi'i? Okay. Now, very quickly, Shafi'i. Now, if you ask for 2 decimal places, you count 1, although, okay, 0.0374. Shafi'i, we wait for Shafi'i for because the only one doesn't know he's distracted. Okay, 1, 2, 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Look at the digit next to it. Do you plus 1? Yes, you do. 0.04. Now, significant figures is different. Significant figures, similar style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Look at the one over here. Do you plus 1? No, you don't. So you rewrite 1, 2, 3, but don't leave it like that. You must add the 0. Okay? Shafi, okay? All right, the next one come, everyone. Okay, we are now. Okay, Inshira, well done, Inshira. You can use your calculator, no problem. Yeah. You don't know what's the problem 2A, you cannot have decimal as a fraction. Yeah, you cannot have decimal as a fraction. But try that, just try to put it inside your calculator, they might, and then you press the function of the whatever fraction function and might get it. Well done, Ryan. Inshira, well done for 2B. Inshira, you move on to 3. Akila, well done for 2A. If you want to know the working without calculator, is like this. Percentage is divided by 100, right? Divide by 2.5 here. Divide by 2.5. And then you get 11 over 40. Okay. Shafi, well done for 2B. But 2E, you understand, Shafi? Shafi, you understand, Shafi? Shafi is frozen. Frozen. Okay, never mind. Okay, then, yeah. Let's move on to the next one. Ryan changes to grams, and then you can compare. So 5 kg is 5,000. Then reduce until cannot reduce anymore. Okay, Akira, well done, Akira, for 2B. You move to 3, please. Ryan can get, Ryan. Okay, well done. So you must write like that, Ryan. Okay, correct. Your answer is correct, just dot dot. Okay, well done. All of you are okay. We're moving now to the next one. Factorize this. 2 types of factorization. One, you just take the common one, put it outside the bracket. That's for A. For B, you do completing the square. If you've forgotten, it's okay. We can do together. Inchi, can do that? Cannot now. Okay, we wait for 1 minute more to see whether the rest can do. Inchi, you used to be a champion at this one. You won the class championship. Okay, for 3A, just take out what's common, put it outside the bracket. The straightforward type. Okay, what's outside the bracket? Well done, Shafi. Ryan, what's outside the bracket? You put inside the bracket is correct. Outside the bracket? Well done, Shira. Okay, so this one, Okay, let's see. Hold on now. Now, you have 3. Both can divide by 3. Both terms. Put the 3 outside. And then there's y also. Ryan, there's y. Put the y here. So 3y times what becomes 3xy times x. 3y times what equals to 6. 3 times 2y. Like that. So, Akira, you get it, Akira? 3 times 2 gets 6. Y times y, y square. 3 times x, 3x, yeah? 3xy. I'll try. Next one now is completing the square like that. Remember, a long time ago, when you were like very new in the year, you learned this. Before you became matured, remember? Before I matured, I matured. Kira, I remember. Inshira, you were you. Well, Shafi'i. Well done, Shafi'i. You just cut your hair, Shafi'i. No, I need to cut my hair. My hair is like getting curly. I don't know where to go to. I asked Ryan's brother. He's telling me he's cut. Don't know where he cut. Some mud, is it? Okay. Inshira, do you cut your hair? Just don't cut your hair. Wow, can you imagine you're a Rapunzel. Okay. I cut my hair, gombak. Oh, your friend's house also can. Your friend cut for you. Oh, bagus. Okay, come on, this one, come on, you can do this one. We are waiting for Shafi, is waiting for us. Well done, Akira. Okay. Shafi and Akira, you wait for one, Remember that, guys? Something like this. And then what times what equals to 14? You can have 7 here and 2 here. But you want it to be minus 14. So one must be plus, one must be minus. And the clue is you want to have minus 5x. So the 7 should be minus lah. Remember that? That is right, remember? Yeah, minus 7x plus 2x. You utang 7x, you plus 2x, you still utang 5x. So you circle this down here like that. Circle. What you say circle, that means x plus 2. X minus 7. Yes. Okay, I hope you all are okay, like that. Ryan, okay, Ryan? Yes, Remember, okay. Inshallah, we move on now. Because we are revising all the topic. They say don't use a calculator. I don't like this type of question, but what to do sometimes, I don't know whether they ask you this type of question, but you don't need to use a calculator. We do together this one. Now we do together. I don't want you all to do alone. So I feel it's a nonsense question. So down here now, 1.98 is nearest to what, Inshira? Nearest to what whole number? 2, okay. So you put 2 square down here lah. Inshira, 63.63. What number can be square rooted that is near to this one? 63.63. 60. 64, Okay, you know 8 times 8 is 8 times 8 is 64. Then next one, what can be square rooted that is near to 25.21? 25 minus 4, something like that lah. So how to do? Like this, I just show you straight this type of question. 2 square, you get 4 times square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 25 is 5 minus 1 minus 4. So 4 times 8, 32 over 1. 5 minus 4 is 1, right? Equals to 32. Now this type of question, I think is nonsense question, but if you are tested like this, you know what to do because you have to estimate first. Can I hope you all get it. So how to do this type? You ask yourself what number can be square rooted. See, I don't know how. Okay, use your calculator. Try 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, until you get something near to 64. Oh, then you say, 63 near to 63. Or 64 can be square rooted. So you put the 64 here. Because you're allowed to use calculator. Same thing, you do not know 25.21. What you try the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. 5 square is 25. I put 25 here. Okay? This one you have to estimate as 2 lah. Imagine you cannot use your calculator. So you got to show you're working correctly. So yeah, clearly, so this is the working. Okay. This one now. Do you remember? We try. You know how to find the sum of internal angle? You need to find. You got to divide them to triangle. Those who remember there's such a formula even to find total sum of internal angle. Remember that? N minus 2 times 180. Do you remember something like that? You can use this. Actually, you don't need to use this. You can divide it to triangle. How many triangle can you get? This topic is under polygons. You need to know how to find the sum of the angle. So once you find the sum of the angle, you know that this plus this plus this equals to what. Once you know that, you know how to do. It's a home run. Okay, let's see. Inshira has given an answer. Is she correct? Congratulations, Miss Inshira. What about the rest? Okay, we go to another. Down here, I need to. Oh, someone given. Oh, wait. Okay. Sorry. Sometimes, all right, you all try. 1 minute more. Otherwise, I have to explain and I have to start with the whole topic for this one. Very fast review lah. She just a while, you see. Okay. All right. 138 is correct. Well done. Here we go. I watch. We can divide this to triangle. Why? Because we know that one triangle is 180 degrees. So I can divide a triangle on here. Can you see that? I can divide a triangle down here. Then down here. I can have triangle here. Then this angle. Triangle down here. All are right. Have I finished? How many triangles do I have? Okay, let's count. Let's count. How many triangles? I should get how many triangles? This 9-sided figure. By the formula, the number of triangles must be 2 less. Let's see whether it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, if they tell you there's 9-sided, you can fit in 2 less. 9 minus 2, you get 7 triangles. 1 triangle, 180 degrees. 7 triangle, you find out now. 180 times 7. What do you get? I think you get 1080. 1260. 1260. Okay. What is 1260? 1260 is the sum of all the angles here. This angle, this angle, this angle, all the angles. That's the sum. So now what you're going to do? We minus the 156 because this is the only angle is 156. So 1260 you minus 156, and then you will get 1104. So what is 1104 equal to? Is 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x. 8x equals to 1104, and find what's x. 1104 divided by 8, you get 138. Okay. Sometimes they might not even give you this diagram. So how to do? Okay, so that's where we'll go here. Okay, how to do? We'll go here. We go here. So now, if I'm going to draw, let's say, you tell me, I want you to find the sum of internal angle. Sum of internal angle. Okay, can you find sum of internal angle equals to how many? Formula, divide it into triangles. How many triangles can you get here? The number of sides minus 2. Get the answer times by 180. Count the number of sides. And then okay, so what is your, can you all find out what's the sum of the angles here? There are 7 sides. 7 sides, according to the formula, you can make 2 less triangles. You must minus 2. What minus 2? 7 minus 2. How many triangles can you get? You get 5 triangles. So what's the total angle? You know how to do now? Ishi, you know how to do? I do not know on your head is like, yeah, okay. So 7 side, you minus 2. How many you get? 5 triangle. Are you sure 5 triangle? Okay, let's see. Let's see. If you don't believe there's 5 triangle, I show you now. Okay, watch. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle. Okay, then 4 triangle and 5 triangle. Can you see now? Exactly 5 triangles. So 1 triangle is 180. Just times 180 je lah. Times 180. 5 times 180. What do you get? 900. So I hope you all know how to find the sum of internal angles. It is given by a formula. The formula is n minus 2 times by 180. Okay? Times 100. So n is the number of sides. All right? Okay, we move back now. I hope you all get it. Me a little bit worried if you forgotten. This one, are you all tested in stem and leaf? Yes? Yes. Okay, so we go through this. But first of all, your test, Shafi'i. Shafi'i, this person's weight, is it 7 kg or 78 kg or how? This one. How many kg? Anyone know? Shafi'i, you know not? Ryan, you know this one, how many kg? You know how to read this? Inshi, you know how to read this? 47 kg. Okay. How to read? This is 47 kg. This is 48 kg. What is 40? These are the people on here. There's 1%, 2%. These are the number of people. This one is 70 kg. This is 62 kg. This is 61, and so on, so forth. Can you find out the answer to A, B, C? Find the number of people. Yes, Inshi. You are correct, Inshi. You'll be a statistician. Well done, Akila. You also be a statistician. What about the boys? Be like, no, we don't like statistics. Don't be like that. Come on, boys. Ryan, the number of people is here. Ryan, number of people is here. Each number represents 1%. Each number represents 1%. And she says the mode is that. Okay, congratulations. What is mode? Mode is the highest occurring thing. Let's say now, for example, in your class, there are, let's say, 30%. 20 of them, their weight is exactly 54 kg. The mode is 54 kg. Okay. Shafi, what is 632? No. What is 632? No, this, Shafi, one number here represents 1%. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11%. So question number A6A is 11%. If you want to know their weight, okay, median, hold on. You want to know their weight, okay, their weight is 47 kg. First person 47, second person 48, third person 53, fourth person 53, fifth person 53, sixth person 56, sixth person 59, 59, then 62, then 65, then 66, then 70. I hope you understand. This whole chart tells you the number of persons and the exact weight. Now, what is mode is the highest occurring number or the highest frequency. What is median? Median is the middle person's value. So there are 11 persons here. Who's the middle person? Akila, who's the middle person? There are 11%. Position 1, position 2, 3, 4, 4. Who is the middle person? You can use a formula like 11 plus 1 divide by 2. You will get the 6%. But it's not 6 is the median. It's the value of the 6%. See, what is the value? Down here, we are looking at the weight. What is the weight of the 6%? See, where's the 6%? Is this the 6%? Is this? No, you count. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So median is 56. Yes, congratulations. I hope you all remember. Later we'll go through it. 56. Ryan, mode means highest occurring. Who has the highest occurring? Which weight is the highest occurring one? You can type in. Shafi Yusof. 50 watt. 50 watt. 50 watt. You cannot just give one number down here. 50 watt. 59? No, 59 is only 1% of 59. You must get it again. There are 11 persons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This person's weight is 47 kg. This person's weight is 48 kg. This person's weight here, 53. Yes, 53. Yeah, 53 again. 53 again. There are 3 persons with 53 kg. So the mode is 53 kg. What is mode? Highest occurring value. So there are 3 persons got 53 kg. Their weight is 53 kg. Got 50 kg. Their weight is, so that's the mode. That's the highest occurring. Okay. Now the numbers here, we got to make sure that some of them you need to put units. For 11 is acceptable. Mode you have to put kg because down here is a unit with kg. Then median is also a unit. You must kg. Now, those of you say this one, I don't know how. You look at it here. 4/7. 4/7 means 47. You see, they tell you how to read them. Very kind of them. So what? Okay, never mind lah. The next test paper we do, you revise again. Now, next one. This one. Expand first, times it out, then simplify. All the best. Congratulations, Mr. Shafi. For A. Well done, Inshira. For A. Those of you have forgotten this one, look at the pattern. Okay, if you remember, this one will not have a middle term. So x squared minus 9y squared. But if you want to times it out, also no problem. We can times it out. This one we can we can times it out also. Okay, Shafi and Inshira, just a moment. This one, how to do? Yeah, x squared minus 1. Yes, correct. So now we do that. In case if you do not know, you have to fire the missile. Say what missile? In this one, actually, later we'll run through some revision on this in a moment. But you have to times. What do you times? Okay, I need to just highlight in case I'm worried you'll forget. You understood before, may have forgotten. Fire down here, you fire. What do you mean fire? X times x, x squared. And then times the next one. X times 3y minus 3xy. And then 3y times x plus 3xy. You know that this one is going to be cancelled off, right? Plus and minus is going to be cancelled off. And the last one, 3y times 3y. 3 times 3, 9. Y times y, y squared. So the answer, final answer is x squared minus 9y squared. Now, I want you to know this pattern. If you see this sort of stuff, what do you do? Okay, watch. Let's say you see, I give you this one now. Let's say now you have like that. Okay, you try to do. Okay, you say what sort of algebra is it? If you really understand the concept, you will be able to do. Like that. So what is this guy drawing? I thought we're doing algebra. These are hieroglyphics or what? You know hieroglyphics is the ancient Egyptian. You know who was the one who deciphered what the first hieroglyphics? Who do you think? It's the Muslims, you know. The Western side had to depend on the Muslims. That's how hebat we were last time. They had the whatever stone. Okay. Shafi, you know how to answer for this one? Shafi frozen what? Inshira, you know? Ryan, you know this one? Inshi, you know how to write? Can you write answer? Don't need to expand. Just give the final answer. You have plus, you have minus. You have girl, girl, boy, boy. What's the final answer? Just square the first one. Okay, I give you that. Square the first one. Minus, square the second one. Finish. Done. Okay. Remember, this is the pattern. You say, what is this? This is the pattern. If you have same number, same number, same number, same number, plus, minus, this one you answer final answer square, square the first one, minus, square the second one. Finish. Okay. You understand? I do not know whether you understand, but I hope you understand. Tolonglah understand. Okay, we try the next one. Next one. Okay, next one. How to do the next one? Okay, you expand it. Expand it. Okay, Shafi and Inchi has already done. So 3 times 4x, 12x. 3 times minus 5, minus 15. Next one, 7 times x, minus 7x, because minus times plus. Minus times minus becomes plus. 7 times 1, 7. The numbers, put them together. Minus 15 plus 7. Put them together. All right. Then 12x minus 7x. So you can write it here, no problem. You want to do straight also can, but I'm writing it down so you can see. I'm moving it about first. Why? Easier for me. 12x minus 7x, 5x. Owe $15. Have $7. You still owe $8. Okay, 5x minus 8. Well done to Inshi and Shafi'i. The cousins. You do not know. Yeah. Quite. Yeah. Quite what? What is that? What's the word? Telepathic. Telepathic. Yes. Okay. This one. You know congruency means exactly the same. Congruent. You need to write now what image is exactly the same. You have to remember. You cannot just write the odd. It must be in the right order. Wrong order means it's gone. Well done, Shafi'i. Well done. It's a Malay word. If we add an E, it's a Malay word. Well done, Shafi'i. Salah, Shafi'i. Last man salah. Overconfident dah. Kamu dah dribble depan goalpost. You kick the ball out. Come on, there's no goalkeeper there. There's only ball picker. Later, I'll prove to you why the answer is not that. If you don't believe, Inshi, well done. Inshi, what's the A? A answer. You know how to write A answer? Not O, A. Akila, you know what to do, Akila?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Akila, well done. Salah Encik. Order dia salah. Order salah. Are you saying, they ask for ABCD lah, yours is C bet. Don't want C bet, I want ABCD. I know the word bet is cool lah. Even as I said, Michael Jackson, so he did a song, he did an album called Bad. No one does a album called Good except for Nasheed singers, right? Nasheed singer, they might put good lah, because one be too good. Even jinns also don't like them. That's why Allah says in a verse in the Quran, do you know who the evil ones descend upon? They descend on every lying, sinful person. So if you are very good, even the jinn also want to disturb you. Better not, this fella, always everything good, zikir. Okay, well done, Nishi. Can you see it's a Malay word there? If you put the R and S, you put an E between there, it's a Malay word. Come on, Ryan. This one, what is A? Congruent to, you must like this. Come on. Akila Goso, same thing. Do something you can do like that. This 3 sign doesn't mean a sergeant. Okay, down here R. A is closest to what? Oh, it's R lah. R, okay. And then down here. A is congruent to R. And then B is long, right? You go long, then same. So long like S. Next one is S. B is to S. Just put down here BS. BS is different meaning now. Okay, AR. Then after that, it goes from B to C, long. B to C. So S to T. Must put S to T. See? C is here. This is A. Later with this, we can prove to Shafi why his answer is wrong. He still doesn't know why his answer is wrong. In fact, he thinks he's right. It's okay. So now B to C. C is T, C is T. And the last one is U, correct? U. This U is what? D. So Shafi, can you see now? U. U is here lah, D. 110 lah, Shafi. You see, if I write it down, R is A. So this one is Y. This one is 42. T is what? 78. 110 is this one. So how to find? Very easy lah. 360 minus 42 minus 78 minus 110, you get 130 degrees. Don't be overconfident, okay? There was once I was overconfident, was entering a toilet after tuition more than 10 years ago. It was so hot. I think I may have told you all the story. I entered, I saw the color of the toilet. It's blue. I saw purple. I said blue, purple might be the same. But I went inside, I saw a woman. I was so frightened. After the report, I might go, they say pervert inside the toilet. Abe, man. So straight away, I went up. Okay, but anyway, so this one, the order is very important. This one, your favorite. This one, you try to simplify. Simplify means whatever you cancel. You don't need to find the what is A, B, C. That is solve. If they say solve, you must write A is what, B is what, C is what. But there's so many right now here. So maybe you cannot see too clearly. So this is divide. This is times. Okay, you try A first. You try A first. Yeah, you can. Please carry on. Right. Go. Same thing happened to me when I was in Madrasah Irshad, Mr. Habi. I used to work there. They give me an office in Masjid Muhajirin. Third floor kan is girls' toilet kan. So we use the girls' toilet. Certain time, prayer time, you can use them. Then I was inside doing my business. I can hear the girls coming in. Ya Allah. I say, how to come out? I got to wait until they all go out, no? Because you know prayer time, right? Prayer time, the women's toilet, you're allowed. I see, alamak, this one, habis, man. Shafi can reduce some more, The 4 and 6 can divide some more. Inchi, the 3 and 6 can divide some more. 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 6. Who is right? Oh, Shafi, the 6 and the 2 must combine lah. Oh, the 2 is square. Okay, never mind. The 2 is square. Okay, sorry. So who is right? Which cousin is correct? Adakah jebat yang benar atau tuah yang benar? You watch that movie before? Hang Tuah? No. May I? Yes, please. You can. May I what? You wanna? Oh, go anti-climax lah. I thought you're gonna show us the working. Go toilet. How come everyone wants to go toilet? Please carry on. Inshi, I think your answer is. Later we go through lah. Your answer I think was probably correct. Wrong lah. We check. How you get 3? Yeah. You try to check your division. Bottom is 24, right? 4 times 6, 24. I think it's not 3. Let me check. Maybe you're right. Let me check, and your answer is wrong. It's not 3. Yes. Okay, correct. Your 9A answer is well done. Akila, you there, Akila? Can you understand what's happening or not? Yes. Okay, all right. I say yes, you type yes. She can do it, she. Mesti benar ya. Hey, do you cook for the family? You cook?
Sometimes.
What do you cook today? Do you cook today?
No.
No, okay. Hey, how's your mom? Is she okay?
Sometimes okay, sometimes not okay.
Majaga lah. This is the time when she needs help lah. Okay, I'm going to go through the very first one. See, you had your toilet break. Sorry, I'm always eating, but this is my dinner actually. And today I had like 4 sessions of tuition. This is the 4th one. So A squared. Now, those of you who are confused, I write B lah, so you can see easily. But this A times B, A squared B. This is what it is. 4xy. If you need to understand this way for sec 2, okay. Once you go sec 3, cannot use this like that. The people will laugh at you. But if you're confused, you do slowly like that on your own. But don't show to your teacher. B cube means B times B times B. So now divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 3. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 2. So the bottom part, there's 2 at the bottom part. B. Cancel 1B. You are left with B times B, which is B squared. Can you see now? You also left with 2. Okay. Then A can cancel 1A here, 1A here. No more A. Y can cancel Y, Y. So now you have X down here at the bottom. You have B, 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 B means B squared, 2. On top is A. This is your answer, A over B squared X. Okay, I hope you get it. So now if you see A to the power 2, A to the power 1, you can cancel. You know that 2 minus 1, you still got one more, A. Okay? If this is 3, this one is 1, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. So bottom part, you are left with 2. B2. If you're confused, never mind. Don't worry about this. You can do what I've done. What is that? B times B times B. Cancel 1B, cancel 1B, B times B. Don't write 2B. This is not 2B. Yeah? Okay. So that's the first answer is here. Okay. A over 2B squared X. Now let's try the next one now. Okay. You have to factorize this. You have to factorize this. Clue. Boys and girls, you have to factorize this. You have to factorize this. So I'm gonna write it for you after changing divide to times. Then you try to see, do you factorize? If you factorize, you will be able to cancel the numbers. This A, change to times. 4A minus 4B. Factorize it. Factorizing means what? Put the bracket. What bracket? Just now we did with the bracket. Remember, we put the number outside. Do it for this one and this one. Then you can cancel. See, what is he talking about? Come on, you try. Just now we did factorization. Okay, 1 minute. In 1 minute's time, you cannot do. I have to show you lah. Remember, you have to practice on your own. You want after this, I send all of you a test paper for you all to do for the next lesson. One or what? Can ah? Okay. I will send a test paper now while waiting for you, so that I don't forget. Okay, I hope all of you got it already. If you didn't get it, let me see. Shafi, have not got it. Okay, I sent it. I sent to Shafia also lah. Because you're using Shafia right now. Okay, I sent it. Yeah, please. Good to print it. But not now lah. Not now. This one you print it and then after you start doing the whole how many more lessons? Yeah. Okay, so you print it out and then you do lah. Answer key is at the back, but don't go and copy answer key lah. You only can check the answer. How many more lessons do we have? I need to look. I think maybe 1, 2, or 3 lah. For some of it is different for different person. I think maybe Akila might have one or two more. Shafi, I think yours is quite late, your exam, right? 20 something. So you will have more lah. If the others want to join, up to them. If not, it's just us both lah. Don't be sad lah. Your exam is later. So it depends on your exam date. Okay. Okay, we are going to go through. Okay. Now, no one has sent answer. Shafi sent A. Okay, you see correct? Let us see now. Okay, boys and girls, you are supposed to factorize this. Did you factorize it? I don't know lah. You know, take out 2, both can divide by 2. What is left? A minus B. Correct or not? You can do like that one. See, oh yeah, why I didn't think of that? Yeah, that's why I'm showing you lah. Well, why are you having conversation to yourself? No one is talking to me. Okay, now next one lah. 4, you can take out Inshi. 4. Inshi when a headache itu. A minus B. Can you see not? Ryan can see what I do now, Ryan. Down here now, I can cancel already now. Look carefully. I factorize it like that. A minus B can cancel lah, finish. Now, down here, divide by 2. I get 1. Divide by 2, I get 2, Shafi. There's still 2 down here. And then divide by A, I get 1. Divide A, I get A. This A squared now, A times A. So I cancel 1 and A. So the answer is A over 2. This is the answer. Are you clear now? You can see, you will get questions like this. You have to simplify it. Shafi, are you confused? You're frozen. No wonder lah. I thought you're confused. Because you're looking at that. I was thinking it's frozen. Shafi, you okay? Eh? Shafi, you understand? Eh? Okay, here we go. You move to the next one. Eh? This one now. If they say the word solve, remember what do you solve? You solve a murder case. Means you want to find who's the murderer. In this case, you want to find what's X. You want to find what's X. You want to find what's X. Can we try now? Come. Okay, number 10. Come on. Number 10. So I repeat about the number of lessons. It depends on your the thing. If you want to continue together with the last person, no problem. Okay. I will send you all a message later on. Next week, guys. Let me settle my PSLE students first. You all remember PSLE, guys? It's quite stressful for the parent and student and whatnot. Please go, Akila. I cannot see you also. I also don't know. Yeah, carry on. Shafi, wow, let's see whether you're right, Mr. Shafi. Absolutely correct, Mr. Shafi. Well done. Inshi, correct. So Ryan, you got a times this out, Ryan. 2 times X, 2X, 2 times 7 minus 14. So you expand it out. 2 times X, 2X. 2 times minus 7 minus 14 equals to 28. Now you shift the number over, solve it. Come on, Ryan. Shafi, for the next one. B. Unfortunately, they say is not correct. Inshira, according to answer key, also not correct. Shafi said the answer is 6 for B. Inshira say 39. Shafi says minus 6. Both our answers according to answer key is not correct. Of course, answer key can be wrong. We're going to go through shortly. So Ryan, you bring the 14 over there, Ryan. 2x equals to 28 plus 14 equals to 42. X equals to, score the goal, 21. Your 33 now is which one? B. B, the answer is less than 10. So you were very close the first time. Okay, we're gonna do B, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do B now. Okay, we're gonna do B. Okay, now. How to do this type of question? You write like a fraction lah. Remember, I taught you seesaw method, right? Yeah, but we forgot how to play because we didn't play for a long time. Okay lah. Okay, now. Now remember, this is 3/1. This one, you cannot split it up. Huh? It has to be together, bracket it. You want to move it, just like now, for example, you want to move, you're going to leave your sister behind, mother behind, no, right? You got to move as a unit. So you want to bring this up. Or I tell you what, we flip this way. We flip up this way. This one goes up, this one go down. You know what I mean? This one go up. Okay, I just write the flip lah. Okay. This one go up, this one go up. This one go down, go down. What do I mean? So now x over 3 over 12 is equals to 1/3. See, I just flip it already. And then what? And then now you want to get rid of the 12 lah. You can just bring it over to that side if you want to. But if you say I'm not comfortable to do seesaw method lah, okay, then times by 12 lah. Times 12 here, times 12 here. What do you get? Cancel the 12, no more 12. Divide by 3, you get 4. So now you get it really not? X minus 3 is equals to 4. One more step to score the goal. X equals to 4 plus 3. Minus 3 bring over becomes plus. X equals to 7. Inshi, you need me to check your work? You understand? You're working, you know where you went wrong? Okay, if you don't know, you must take a photo, show it to me. I will check for you, find out where you made mistake. Same thing, Shafi and the rest also, okay? If you do not know where you go wrong, you see by how you thought you are doing the right thing. At the back of the mind, you still feel like doing the right thing. You must take a photo of your working, send it to me. I will then scrutinize, I will analyze and show you exactly where. This process is very important. Otherwise, at the back of your mind, you think you're still correct. Then that is a problem. Once you think you're still correct, that means the connections are still very strong for the wrong method. So I repeat that if you feel you are still correct, you must take a photograph of your working and message me so that I can analyze and prove to you. Shafi, you know your mistake, Shafi? Yes, okay. So we move on to the next one. Come on, the next one, you can do this. Come on. Make the denominator the same first. Then combine it into one fraction. Ryan, okay now, Ryan? Are you all right, Ryan? Ryan, we're doing number C, Ryan. Try to combine, make it 4, denominator 4. Shafi, well done. Congratulations. Okay. Please proceed to secondary 3. Yeah, you don't need to take the final exam. All right, a letter to your school. Sorry, we got to wait. Shafi, you got to wait, because I can't go to the next page. Inshi, mistake in question, something. Okay, I will start this process. Here we go. You can check lah. This one you want a times 2, you want a times 2, make it 4. So you bracket this up, put the 2 outside also. What does this mean? This times 2 also lah. Do you need to do down here? Don't need, because you're just changing the denominator. Don't times 2 down here. Don't, I repeat, you don't, because you're changing the denominator. Okay, you're not increasing the number. Like for example, 2/3, you make it to 4/6. Do you change it? No, it's still the same number. You don't need to times the right hand side. So now what do? You put it all under 1 lah, down here. 2 times x, 2x. So sorry, Inshira, still not yet. 2 times 2, 4, plus 4. And then minus x. This is equals to 2. Okay, down here now, we can simplify it. 2x minus x is x. So you have x plus 4 over 4. Do you get this, Inshira, like that? Yes. Now times 4 lah now. Times 4. Now we get rid of 4 times 4 also here. So what do you get? Cancel the 4 lah. Finish. The 4 is gone. This one become 8 lah down here. See. This one x plus 4. You bring the plus 4 over the other side, become minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Done. 8 minus 4 is 4. You want me to check your working, not Inshi? You know your mistake. Okay, if you all know your mistake, is good. You don't know, you must tell me. Eh? Okay, so we move on now. We move on. I think the next one would not be algebra. Be something else. Angle. Very easy lah, very easy. Come on. Offer. Say what offer? Okay, do it right always. Okay, I didn't know there's motto like that. Huh? Just sounds like a Nike punya. Quadrilateral means 4-sided figure. So this is a stage you must practice what? Your exam papers. So for express stream, you have 2 topics I think that is not covered here. One is trigo, and the other one is functional graph. So if you need help in that, please tell me. BEC. Find angles BEC. Well done, Inchi. First one correct. Shafi, well done. First one correct. ABC, come on. You can do this, guys. You can do this. Shafi, well done for question B. Okay, Ryan, for question A, can we check? We check this. Okay, this is question A. Yeah. This one is also 65. This plus this is 180. This plus this, because parallelogram, you see. This plus this 180. 180 minus this get you 65 for sure. So 115 lah. So then you know 15, 65, 80 plus what equals to 180. 180 minus 65 minus 15. This is 100 degrees. Okay, the second one. Shafi, okay, well done. C, also correct. For B, come on, for B. A, B, C. A, B, C. You want this angle here. You can find. You can find. Inchi, have you found? Not yet. ABC found. Okay. So this one, you can use the Z. You can use the Z. Right? You can use the Z. You can see? See this Z. So this one is also 38. The whole thing is 115. This one is 38. So you can, so this one 38, right? 115 minus 38, how much you get? You get out there, which is 115 minus 38, 77 CAD. 77 here. So 38, 77, this equals 180. 180 minus 38 minus 77, what do you get? You will get this to be 65. The last one, CAD. CAD. Again, now you have zing, zing, zing as another Z. The Z is here. Ayo, sorry. The Z is not the Z now. The Z is here. So this one is equals to this one. You already found this one, which is 77. So down here is 7, 7. Okay, I hope this is okay. Yeah. Okay, angles is something that can score. Can score. This one's a very good question. Okay. State the coordinates of point Q. See, what are coordinates? Coordinates are the X and Y value. You must write like that. X is Y, Y is Y. For point Q, where's point Q? Point Q is here. So let's see. Okay. Shafi'i. Salah Shafi'i. X dan Y jadi songsang. X is the first one. This is the x-axis, mister. This is the y-axis. Inshi, well done. Inshi, correct. Shafi'i. This one now, Salah, your x-axis, y-axis upside down. No. You must get back. I hope North Pole and South Pole is not upside down. So please. Okay. So down here, Ryan, come on. This one now we look at x-axis. What is x? Oh, this one is -3. Minus 3. Put x -3. And then the y value for y -2. -3 -2. This is the value. So they're asking you for this equation now. Boys and girls, you must do this. Don't understand question? Yeah, I'm going to show you now. What is the equation? Say what equation? This one got equation. Of course got equation. What's the equation? I give you a clue. What value doesn't change here? As you go up here, what's the value of x? What's the value of y? What's the value of x? What's the value of y? What's the value of x? What value does not change? That's the name of the equation. You see, what value doesn't change here? You see, what's the value of x? What's the value of y? What's the value of x? What's the value of y? What's the value of x? What's the value of y? What doesn't change in G? Come on, come on, come on, come on. We try down here. The value of x is what? The value of x is -2. Value y is 3. Good. Okay, what's the value of x here? The value of x is -2. The value of y is 1. Oh, and down here? Oh, down here the value of x is -2. So x, not x-axis, the value of x doesn't change. So what is the value of x? X equals to -2. See why you call like that? Because x doesn't change, always 2, 2, 2, 2. What? So let's say every time You drink Milo, Milo, Milo. Every day you drink Milo. People call you Milo girl. Okay lah, BMP lah. Right? So same thing lah. The value of x is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So it means x minus 2. Okay, I ask you another question now. I ask you another question. Okay, all of you. Okay, what is the equation name of this equation? This one. This rate. What's the name of this equation? Anyone can give me? Can type in. What's the, ask yourself, what value doesn't change? You must know all this. They will test you. What's the value of this? Yes, y equals to 3. Why? The value of y doesn't change. Down here, x minus 3, y 3. Down here, x minus 1, y 3. This is x0, y 3. This is x1, y 3. Y is always 3. Okay, so let's say now, for example, you are always eating every day. You recess time, you eat nasi lemak. You say, hey, that nasi lemak boy. Same thing lah. This one, y equals 3. Something like that. Now the next one. So we have settled this one. Find the gradient. Say, what is gradient? Gradient means slope. This is the slope. Down here, this is the slope. They want you to know slope. Say, how to find slope? You try first. Okay? You try first. See whether you can. Here, I will go through in 1 minute's time. By 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. Then you get the gradient. 2 ways of doing it. Now I keep quiet first. No, not 3, 2. No. You have forgotten what gradient is. Okay. Gradient means slope. So now down here we say, what's the slope? The slope, is it steep or not? Okay, how to calculate? First of all, do you know what is positive? I give you 2 methods, okay? This is called positive slope. Why? If you are a person going uphill, it's positive. When the value of x increase, y increase. See what you mean? See what's the value of x down here? Okay, let's say the value of x is minus 1, y minus 0.7. Okay, you go up down here. Value of x is 2, y 1.6. See, as you go up the slope, value of x increase, y. This is positive slope. But what is the value? You choose now 2 points, and then what you do? You calculate vertical height divide by horizontal height. This dotted line. Okay, this dotted line. So now what is the vertical height? Say vertical height where to where? From these 2 points lah, from here to here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one is 4. Okay. And then what's the horizontal height? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 divided by 6. So it's 2/3. So the gradient is 2/3? Yes. But I thought my teacher taught me how to use a formula. Okay, good. This is 0.2, let's say. This is 0.1. Okay, and then you identify what the coordinates are. Coordinates. What are coordinates? Down here, there's not, I show you the coordinates. So now this one is what? X is 3. Y? Y is 2. Okay, these are the coordinates. What is this? This is the x value. Let's call it x2 lah. Why? Because this is 0.2. This one is the y coordinate. You call it the y2. Why y2? Because this is 0.2. Next one down here, this is 0.1, right? What's the coordinate of x? Minus 3. Oh. What's the coordinate of y? Y is minus 2. So which one is, this one is x1 lah. This one is y1. Formula or gradient? M stands for gradient. Formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So how to do it now? You just substitute the value lah. Substitute. Say value. What is the value? So where is y2? Y2 is 2 here. There y2. So like 2 minus y1. Where's y1? Y1 is here minus 2. Oh, minus 2 like that lah. Yeah. And then after that, what to do? Put over lah. X2. What is X2? 3 yeah. On here is X2 is 3. So how do I know is it? This you choose to be 0.2. So this is X2 lah. Okay. Minus X1 minus 3. So X minus become plus. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus become plus. 3 plus 3, 6. Same thing lah, 4 over 6. You reduce, get 2/3. So the gradient is 2/3. What if they ask you what's the equation of this line? If they ask you equation of this line, okay, I'm going to give you now in a moment. But this is the equation, y equals to mx plus c. Remember now? What is c? Is the y-intercept, where it cuts the y-axis. It cuts the y-axis 0, forget about it. So the equation is y equals to 2 over 3x. That is the equation. Don't look very tired. Okay, never mind. I'm going to ask you now, what's the gradient of this one? This line here. What's the gradient? It's a gradient with a wall, you know. Yes, it's very steep. You call undefined. This gradient is called undefined. Okay, good. Okay. Then what about like that? The floor you're walking on now. The gradient is like that, but straight. Right? What's it? This is 0. The gradient is 0. Why? There's no gradient. There's no gradient. Now this one, there's no gradient. No gradient is 0. This one, don't say infinite, say undefined. Okay, you're getting it. You're tired, aduh, very tired lah. Alamak, apa ni? 10 minutes more, 10 minutes more. Okay, 10 minutes more. We go for last few ones lah. Hey, this we end paper 1. Congratulations. How long is this paper supposed to be? Can you imagine? 1 hour exam, in 1 hour 20 minutes, we finished not only the whole question, we finished the answers we went through. Well done. Very good, very good. But shall we say, but this one is normal academic, I'm express, you know. Okay, let's be. Inshallah. Okay, here we go. This triangle ABC, AB is equals to 12, BC 20, AC is 16. Now they tell you this is right angle. Explain why this is right angle. They want you to prove it's right angle. What are you going to do? What are you going to use? Can you prove not? You must use that 2,000-year-old man. Say, who is he? Pythagoras. Use Pythagoras and prove. You all know how to use Pythagoras, not? A squared plus B squared, is it equals to C squared? If A squared and B squared equals to C squared, that means right angle triangle. Can you please test? Test lah. Say we are too tired lah, please lah, show us lah, please. You test lah, A squared is 12 squared plus 16 squared. What do you get? What's your answer down here? And then 20 squared, you check what's your answer. If it's the same, proven. Then what you write explanation? You say by Pythagoras theorem, I've proven A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's it. It's enough. Therefore, right angle triangle. If not the same, put proven not the same. Disprove. So you put inside a calculator 20 squared, 400. Are you sure this top one will be 400? Let's see. 12 squared plus 16 squared. 400 also. Proven. So you explain proven by Pythagoras theorem. Say how to spell Pythagoras. Memorize lah. P-I. Python, you know Python? I myself forgot. Pythagoras, yeah. Never mind lah. Even if you write Python also, you write by Python theorem also. I think your teacher might know, right? Might strangle you lah. Pythagoras. Okay. I think this is Pythagoras. Now find the area of ABC. Come on, very easy lah, very easy lah. Come on, come on, come on. Find the area ABC. Come on, come on, come on. They don't give us such chicken question lah. Primary 5 would give us. Half times base times height. Come on. Which one is the base? Which one is height? Huh? So much. Is it true? Yeah, betul, babe. Yeah, correct. Well done. Well done, Mr. Shafi. Come on. Half times base times height. And she is looking like that. Okay, you take this to be the base lah. This is the height lah. Half times 12 times 16. You times, you get 96 square cm. Huh? Okay, that means you already found the area. Okay, now we move on. This one. This one, you must remember. This one is inverse proportional. Do you remember the formula? Okay, before we start this, direct proportion, inverse proportion. This one of them is the formula for direct proportion. What is the formula? Y equals to kx. See, what is k? The constant. You need to find the constant, then you can write the formula. What about inverse proportion? Y equals to k over x. Okay. What if they give x square? Then this one become x square lah. This one down here become x square. This one also become x. If they give you x square. If not, this is the formula. Okay. This is inverse proportion. This one is direct proportion. You must memorize this formula. They've got so many formulas to memorize. Yeah, never mind lah. Okay, there are ways to memorize. Let me try. Now we move now to this one now here. Question number 2, please. You see, where's the y, where's the x? Okay, this is the y lah. This one is the x. 2 minutes, 2 minutes before I go through. 2 minutes. Yeah, hold on. Shira, down here there's a g square. How come yours is only g? F is inversely proportional to g square. How? Shafi, can do Shafi? Okay. One more minute before I show. Let's see whether who can get it right. Akila can do, no, Akila. Ryan can do, Ryan. Okay, I have to show now lah. Remember what is the formula for inverse proportion? Remember, y equals to, I give you 2 from k over x. You see, but there's no y, no x, no. And what is k? So you must change now. This now is f. F equals to k. K is constant, over g square, not g, Miss Inshira, is g square. That's what they tell us. So now you put in the value, like f is how many? F is 10. Oh, like that, f is 10. Okay. And then k is over k down here, right? Okay. And then over g is 2. 2 square. You must square it. 2 times 2, 4. I see. Now you want to find k. How to find k? Times 4 lah down here. Times 4 down here. What do you get? This 4 cancel, get 1, 1. So you're left with k. Some 40. K equals to 40. Once you know k is to equals 40, you can write the equation. Say what equation you write? This thing you can write. This thing, this thing. This equation now, this is the equation, no. Okay, what do I write now equation? You change the k now. Now you know what k is. What is k? K is 40. We already found k is 40. So now what is the equation? This is the equation like that. You get it or not? Inshi, get it or not, Inshi? You know the equation for inverse proportion like that. Now they tell you f is inversely proportional to g squared. So f inversely proportional, you k over g squared. Then we find out what is k. How we find out what is k? We put in the value, then we can find out what's k. K is 40. So you change that now, you become f equals to 40 over g squared. And then now you got to use this to solve this next one. How to solve? F, okay, equals to 40 over g is what? 4. Remember there's a square down here. So what is it equal to? 40 divided by 4 times 4, not 4 times 2, 4 times 4, 16. 40 divided by 16. How much you get? Is it 2.5? I think it's 2.5. 2.5. Okay. You all okay? You all look very, very, very tired now. You want to do one more sum or you want to stop now? Which one? No response, huh? Okay, then we continue next week lah. You try to do the paper lah by the next Sunday. If you can, you do, then we can go through lah. Okay? Take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.